Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SHLL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, very rough day on this one. Did a little bit of forecasting on this one yesterday in terms of, hinting at the fact that, maybe this was the start of something bigger. And it was a pretty cruel move because there was actually a gap up this morning. So for a time being, it was looking like, nope, not the start of anything more bearish. Everything is perfectly fine. In fact, the price worked its way up there. Some poor souls were buying up around there. And then after that, it was just essentially all selling pressure the rest of the day. So a lot of updates here need to be done. First, I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, though. Just get rid of these lines up here. Sure, those levels pertain. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this analysis as clean as possible. But the first update that does need to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So $47 now going to be that key area of resistance where if there is any sort of attempted consolidation and then bounce back to the upside, that'll be the first big battleground to watch to just gauge the health of any sort of upwards movement. So yeah, if the price starts to move upwards, that is a good thing. But you also have to, respect the fact that, that might just be some sort of dead cat bounce, fake tight movement to the upside. In a great way, not a guarantee, but a good way to just give yourself a little bit better idea of whether or not the price has any sort of legitimate strength behind it on a bounce is how does it react around 47? Does it get up to 47 and then just blast right through it? Or does it get up there and tiptoe around? At that point, I'd be a little skeptical of whether or not the bounce actually has any sort of genuine power behind it. As far as next levels of support are concerned going forward, next key level going to be right there at the $44.15 mark. And then after $44.15, next level down there around the $42.50 mark. But yeah, definitely a rough day today. We'll see if the price can try to get things turned around or not on Thursday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.